Hi, it's Akshita here extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Digi Global PanVision.
Today's telecast is sponsored by
UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.
In our today's top story, meet 7-year-old memory machine Premraj Dravid, a resident of Palamajulu. Other news headlines from Mangalore. SDM Law College celebrates NSS Annual Day. National Science Day observed at Pilikula. And in our entertainment bash, we have a Konkani song from Mansoban, a Hindi song from Maxim Pirara's Boom Boom live show, and a Kannada song from Geetotsava 2008. News in detail. Names of all the 28 states of the country, names of all districts of Karnataka state, names of 174 taluks of all these districts. All these details are on the tip of his tongue. Finding it hard to believe? TV Digi World introduces a 7-year kid to you from a remote village of Palamajulu in Bantwal Taluk. A child gifted with super-fast brain that can store in scores of information in it. When it comes to intellectual prowess and mind-boggling memory, Premraj stands head and shoulders above others.
Delhi, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipura, Mizoram, Sikkim, Tripura, Orissa, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Goa, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Lakshadweep, Andaman, Nicobar.
Son of Raja Palamajalu and Sudharani of B. Muda, Premraj possesses exceptional intellectual powers. He hails from an average family and has 3 elder brothers and a younger sister. His brothers Preeti Raj, Pushparaj and Puneet Raj are studying in Best English Medium School at BC Road, while his sister Divya Raj is yet to begin her schooling. But Premraj, besides being exceptionally talented, is studying in Kannada medium, since his father found it difficult to meet the expenses that are involved in sending him to English medium school.
ನನ್ನ 3 ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ದೊಡ್ಡವನೊಬ್ಬ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಅವನು ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ. ಇವನು 4ನೆಯ ಮಗ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸೇರಿಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಓದ್ತಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಈಗಲೂ ಬೇಸರ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚುರುಕುತನದ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
This once again is a stark contrast to a common belief that students from English medium are better than their counterparts studying in vernacular medium.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗನ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು?
ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಓದುವಂತ ಇದಿದೆ. ಆಗ ಅವನು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಓದಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಗ್ಗಿ ಕಲಿಸುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಇದಾಯಿತು. ಮಗ್ಗಿ 2ರಿಂದ 8ರ ತನಕ ಅವನು ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಆಗ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗುವಿನ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಬೇಕನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವನನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಅಮಟಾಡಿ, ಬಾಳೆಪುಣ್ಣಿ, ಚಿನ್ನತ್ತೋಡಿ, ಕುಲ್ತ ಮಜಾಲ್, ಇಡ್ಕಿದು, ಕಡಿಸಿವಳ್ಯ, ಕನ್ಯಾಣ, ಕರಿಯಂಗಾಲ, ಕೊಲ್ಲಾಡು, ನೆರಿಕೊಂಬು, ಪೆರುವಾಯಿ, ಪಿಲಾತಬೆಟ್ಟು, ಪುದ್ದು, ಪುನಚ್ಚ, ರಾಯಿ, ಸದೀಪ ಮುನ್ನೂರು, ಸರಪಾಡಿ, ತುಂಬಿ, ವೀರಕಂಬ, ವಿಟ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಕೆ, ಅಣ್ಣಂತಾಡಿ, ಬಡಗಬೆಲ್ಲೂರು, ಬಡಗಕಜಕಾರು, ಬಾಲ್ತಿಲ, ಇರಾ, ಕೊರಪಾಡಿ, ಕಾಳಪಡೂರು, ಕಾಳಮುಡೂರು, ಕೆದಿಲ, ಕೇಪು, ಕುಕ್ಕೆಪಾಡಿ, ಕೊರ್ನಾಡು, ಮಂಚಿ, ಮಾಣಿ, ಮೇರಮಜಲ್, ನರಿಂಗಾಣ, ನಾವೂರು, ಪಜೀರು, ಪಂಜಿಕಲ್ಲು, ಪೆರ್ನೆ, ಸಜಿಪಮುಡ, ಸಜಿಪನಡು, ಸಂಗಬೆಟ್ಟು, ಉಳ್ಳಿ, ವಿಟ್ಲಪಡ್ನೂರು, ವಿಟ್ಲಮುಡ್ನೂರು.
Though Sudharani assists her husband Raja financially by rolling beedies, at the end of the day, they find it difficult to make both ends meet.
ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ B.R. ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ B.R. ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್
ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ. ಆಗ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ಅವನು ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ 28 ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳ ಮತ್ತು 2 ಕೇಂದ್ರಾಡಳಿತ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ 27 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ. ನಂತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 174 ತಾಲೂಕುಗಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅವನ ಹುಟ್ಟೂರಾದ ಬಂಟ್ವಾಳ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ 47 ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಪುರಸಭೆ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ತಾಲೂಕು ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ನ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ 7 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಆಗ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಯಿತು.
But all these things have not prevented Prem Raj from being what he is today. His brilliance, though is a God-given gift, no one can rule out the efforts of his parents in encouraging him.
ನನ್ನ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೇಮಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗೊಂದು ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನೇ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಆಯ್ಕೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಳಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಯಾವುದು ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಶಾಲೆ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಅವನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ.
Launched in the Mahatma Gandhi birth centenary year 1969 as a student youth service program, National Service Scheme aims at arousing social consciousness of the youth with an overall objective of personality development of the students through community service. There are thousands of NSS volunteers doing a selfless service to the society during their college days. Along with their studies, NSS volunteers managed to have good academic records. NSS students of SDM Law College were in a joyful mood on Wednesday, February 27th as they celebrated NSS Annual Day. We have a report on this. For these students who gathered at SDM Law College Auditorium on February 27th, serving the society is as important as their studies. The NSS Day celebration organized by SDM Law College and Center for Postgraduate Studies in Law proved that youth, the real strength of our nation, are on the right path. The chief guest, Sandesha Foundation for Culture and Education Director, Father Francis Lewis, opined that attitude to serve needs to be genuine and not developed on someone's compulsion.
The environment should create an awareness within me where my service is required. A lot of activities that are done, I'm sure these activities have come from within. You have seen the need and around the society which needs your service, and you have voluntarily given that. This is what is required of us for the development, for the total development. Let it not only lead to development of the nation, but there should be an integral growth also. With that, we become authentic persons, authentic, and there is some credibility for us when we address the people.
Dr. B.K. Ravindra, principal of SDM Law College, presided over the function.
These are the days where you have to evolve and develop your personality. Sometimes we may have to compel. It is something like police. When you violate the law continuously, they may penalize you. Similarly, when you try to escape with one reason or the other, we may have to compel you. Then try to inculcate discipline in you. So the main object here is to inculcate discipline in you to the youngsters, and if you are disciplined now, then your future becomes really good.
Naresh Malige Madu, NSS Program Officer, and Vijit were present. National Science Day was observed at Regional Science Center situated at Pilikula Biodiversity Park on Thursday, February 28th. Science teachers and scientists took part in the celebrations. National Science Day is celebrated every year on the 28th February to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman, for which he was awarded the Nobel Prize. The celebration is aimed at focusing attention on the Indian science and scientists and their role in India's development. National Science Centre at Pilikula Biodiversity Park too celebrated the National Science Day on Thursday, February 28th. Professor Sriniketan of Surathkal NITK and Shema Derlakatte Dean Professor Arunachalam Kumar were the guests.
In the teaching profession from the primary, because it's just thing, my daughter or son, they have more confidence in the teacher's method of solving than parents. It's a human thing we have seen. That means they have respect. They have just got the confidence my teacher is right. And therefore, the teachers have got some obligation in creating this scientific temple. In this era of information technology, we have to just facilitate our children to question, to analyze, interpret and choose what they want. I think all of us have got that obligation. As a teacher, my sincere request is, please allow your children to have some kind of innovative thinking. They have abundance of energy. We may have to just facilitate and channelize them. Because whoever I am seeing in our institute, in engineering, when they come, and I was a student, I would not been exposed, or nor I would have imagined the computer will be like a small one.
Now it is time for me to take a commercial break here. There is much more coming up after this break, so stay tuned to us.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.